Method 1. Using the Snapchat app, Microsoft Store. First, open the Start menu on your computer and search for Microsoft Store. Then click to open it. In the search bar, type Snapchat and press Enter. From the results, and click on the Get button to install the app. Wait a few moments while it downloads and installs. Once installed, click Open. You'll need to sign in to your Snapchat account. After logging in, you can choose whether to allow notifications. This is optional. Now you can start using Snapchat on your computer. Click on the New Chat button to message your contacts or create a group chat if you want. To chat with someone, simply click their name and start typing your message. If you want to use your camera, click on the camera icon. Make sure to allow camera access when prompted. If your camera doesn't appear, click on the three dots menu and ensure your correct webcam is selected. You can also apply filters, just like on mobile. To access your settings, click on your profile icon in the top left corner. From here, you can manage basic account settings. Method 2. Using Snapchat Web, no download required. If you notice some features missing in the app, or you don't want to install anything, you can use Snapchat directly in your browser. Open your browser and search for Snapchat Web, then open the official website. Sign into your account, and you'll be taken to the web version. The web version has slightly different features and settings, but it works great for chatting and basic use, plus there's no need to install anything. That's how you can use Snapchat on your computer or laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.